Hi guys, Birthday322 here. Sorry I haven't made a video in a couple of days. I haven't had anything to do. Nobody has really left any comments on my video, like how I asked for them to leave comments to find out what videos, but today I'm gonna be just trying to get stuff that I've wanted for a while. So we're gonna start off with the first page of this girl's trade list. Her name is Screenbull. So I really want this beard right here. So I'm gonna try to trade for that. This Phantom plushie. Let's see. I don't know really why I'm trading this. She's probably not gonna accept to this, but it's worth a try. So let's see, one more thing. I guess we'll put a Target plushie on here. So yeah. Yeah, she said no. I knew she'd say that. Coralina has a lot of fox hats. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There are two things I also really want: a New Year's party hat and a small table. Also, I want an open sign. So we're going to start with the party hat. We will put, let's see, the eagle plushie on it. Viking eagle. We'll put, if any of you know what this is, just tell me, because I don't really know what it is. I mean, you can't wear it, obviously. Like, I thought you could only wear it on a snow leopard, so I tried that and it didn't work. But if any of you know what it is, then yeah. She said no to that, of course. And I want gazelle horns also. This is not going so well. Bat wing. Glove. I see that she likes red. Just close my eyes. Woo, boop. Okay, yeah, that bow. And close my eyes. Boop. Okay. She might accept this. Oh, she can't do that now. Great. Sophie Sparkle Pony. Oh my gosh, a rare orange spike collar. I wanted this for a while. Let's put the same things that we just had on trade. Let's see. I wanna put one foot in front of the other. And she divorced, but guys, I don't think you'll say yes to this, but a couple things that I want are headdresses, spike, party hat, horns, because I'm gonna have a collection, gazelle horns, anything, because as you can see, I am not that rare. Not that rare at all. Or beta. Another den items that I want are a rocking horse, robot, wooden floors, blue shag carpet, yeah, stuff like that. This is MK Sal. He's pretty cool. He's one of my buddies. I got a new portal, and yeah. And also, I think my next video is going to be like a challenge. But please don't say pushy pile up, because I'm not really good at that. But my next video is probably going to be challenges. So in this video, leave comments for challenges. And I might do them. Who knows? So I'll show you MK Sal. He has a black top hat. Yeah, that's another thing I really want. I'm lagging. I want a fox hat. Viking helmet. Stuff like that. Gazelle horns, definitely. But yeah, guys, I was talking with my friend one day, and she said, you know that thing that sells top hats, the red, black, and white top hats that a lot of people have? Well, she said they're coming out around June, so we're really close. We have like, let's see, we have like 20 days left, I guess. Yeah, I don't have a lot of gems, but yeah, don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, bye guys.